my donuts, and welcome back to my channel. Quarantine has my nails looking like this, so let's go ahead and fix them. So I'll be using this nail kit from H-E-B. It is super inexpensive and I love the size. I went ahead and sped up the process, but I'm sizing the press-ons with my natural nails, and also you want to take your time on this step to get them nice and even. Now I grabbed my nail kit and I'm using this cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles to make a little more room for the press-ons to fit just right. I'm using this nail glue from Kiss and I'm gluing on the nails and pressing down each one for about 10 seconds to avoid breakage. Now that the press-ons are glued on, I'm now going to file them. I like a natural square roundish shape, so that's what I'm gonna do. Grabbing my white nail polish, I'm going to do a nice thin coat, then let them air dry for a little bit and then apply the second coat. Once the polish is nice and dry, I'm using pure acetone with a small brush to clean up the edges and smudges left from the nail polish. So this is a piece of tamal that Junior was giving me. But anyways, these are my nails. They are nice and done. This is a super quick and easy way to do your nails at home, especially in quarantine and whenever you're bored. So I wanted to say thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!